I mean, EDEX is a very big show, probably the second biggest in Africa after AAD in South Africa. So we felt that it's necessary to show presence here, show the big market here, and get exposure to a lot of the end users that come here. Milkor focuses on in-house design, which allows us to customize the drone according to end user requirements and needs. This could be anything from integrating solutions that they are comfortable with and already using to enhance their already existing troops, or it can be something that we integrate solutions for them and recommend ones that we have found that are world leading, that we partner with different suppliers around the world. This creates a full type of solution. We provide a solution that the customers can use, whether it be in terms of ISR, ISTAR for targeting and acquisition as well, or it can be in terms of EW capabilities with a variety of anti-jamming, GSM picking up. There's a variety of solutions that we are capable of doing and focus on so that we can provide a full range of optimized solutions to our clients. 380 has a long range as well as an endurance, and the payload also allows it to do multiple payloads in one mission. I think the core difference goes in the operational use case for both. The Vanguard is a much more protected armored vehicle. It's an MRAP, mine-resistant ambush protected vehicle, which requires a lot more protection in terms of blast as well as ballistic. It also increases the troop carrying capability. It has a troop carrying of 10 people with 8 in the back as well as 2 in the front, 1 driver and 1 operational guy. Vanguard focuses specifically on protecting troops and taking them on long distances. The Frontier, on the other hand, is a much more agile vehicle, so it's designed with a much lighter weight in mind to go at higher speeds to respond more rapidly, as well as have a lot quicker turning radiuses and smaller crews so that you can get to scenarios quickly and respond actively. Milkor's entire philosophy is built on customization, making sure that the end user gets what they need and to help make sure that their missions are a success, and in whatever way we can provide that. So with all of our vehicles, it's the same concept as the UAV, where we do it in-house. It leaves an open space for us to interpret their needs and then give them a solution that best suits their needs. The Milkor Commander it's a mix between a larger vessel as well as a small, fast interceptor vessel. This means you can do the inshore patrol craft as well as going out to slightly higher sea states further in the waters, which gives you the capability to do a lot more in terms of responding to the different types of sea threats such as piracy or anti-fishing, those type of scenarios. It has a lot of different modularity as well, allowing you to fit it with different type of sensors, sonars, and the customizability of the cabin also allows it to be used for different scenarios. This could be used as either a sleeping cabin for longer endurance missions, or it can be used as a boardroom or seating arrangement for more troops to allow you to respond better in those quick interception scenarios. The whole Milkor River range, that we have a variety going from 6 meters to 15 meters. So it's based on the use that you can have quick response on a light vessel, and it can be customized as well according to the users. So it can have a different type of top, different type of weapon systems, different type of crew sizes according to what they need. The size and lightweight needs means it can be put on bigger vessels, which allows them to then deploy it easily wherever they are and quickly respond, as well as give you that maneuverability in low-level waters like rivers, etc. Of course, we started with the grenade launchers, and that's still one of our main products that we have in the arsenal. The Super 6 is our current flagship grenade launcher, which was an upgrade from the original design of the Mark 1. We've also then expanded into anti-riot options, as well as 2 single-shot options for a UBGL, attachment to different types of rifles, and the stopper convertible, which is a single-shot secondary weapon, easy to carry, lightweight. So we keep the design and the development ongoing to make sure that we provide the best type of weapon systems and top quality that you can get. We've also got the Milkor AGL, which is an automatic grenade launcher, which is very effective in the scenarios where you need to fire high velocity in large quantities. I think that's an advantage that Milkor has because we have all the products under one roof. It allows us to easily integrate them with each other to allow advanced joint forces to do a lot of different things with the integration of our products. It also makes it a lot easier to integrate them because we know all of them by hand and we've done all of them. So this means that if you can go to Milkor and your entire joint forces can be supplied, whether it be the vehicles, the UAVs, the vessels, or the weapons, and from that integrate it all to work together. As I mentioned earlier, the Milkor 380 is perfect as an eye in the sky from the point to multi-point communication, allowing you to easily communicate between the different forces and allowing interoperability. We want to show them that Milkor is ready to deliver. We've got products that are well tested and are on top of the range. And as you mentioned, the interoperability, we can devise a solution that fits them as much as possible with understanding their needs and interpreting what they need and want. And we are here and ready to go.